When looking at purchasing a new office chair, or are you wondering if your existing chair will adjust to meet your comfort, makes me ask the question, does your chair do this? Come and discover the difference. What's up everyone? My name is Joe Feezer and I am the OG office guy. So if you have checked out any of my previous videos, you will know that I have been in the office products industry for over 36 years. There are a plethora of office chair alternatives accessible nowadays. From ergonomic chairs that help prevent musculoskeletal disorders to saddle chairs that promote posture and core strength, there's something for everyone. When it comes to choosing a chair for yourself, you have the option of going for comfort to support your body, a luxury design to improve the aesthetic of your office, or a treadmill feature to keep your body moving. Whatever your desire, there is a solution that is tailor-made for you. Although each chair has its own distinct design, they all have the same basic features. Every office chair has its own distinct feature and selling point, yet they all have a few things in common. A pneumatic seat height adjustment, tilt adjustments, adjustable back height, and arm adjustments are some of the most typical features. Before I tell you about all the features, now would be a great time to hit the subscribe button. Also, click on the bell if you would like to be notified when we drop new videos. Thank you for that. Let's start with the seat height adjustment. The most typical function you'll come across is seat height adjustability. It's merely the ability to raise and lower the seat. It's a simple feature that allows you to modify the chair to your preferences. The key to making effective use of this function is to set the seat at a comfortable height that allows your legs to sit at a 90-degree angle. Let me repeat, the key is having your legs at a 90-degree angle. Next, let's talk about the tilt function. When it comes to chair tilt, you have the option of adjusting the tension, locking the tilt, or using a 2-to-1 feature. In general, the tilt is the limit on how far the chair can rock or recline backward. The amount of tilt that can be applied to each chair is limited. When you've found the ideal area, you may lock the tilt to keep it in place. Increase or decrease the amount of force required to rock the chair by adjusting the tilt tension. The backrest reclines twice as fast as the seat cushion in a 2-to-1 synchro tilt feature. You can recline while maintaining your seat level with the floor. Moving on to the back height. When it comes to posture and back pain, back height adjustment is a must-have function. It's an excellent approach to ensure that your lumbar region, or lower back, is properly supported. When there are several individuals using the same chair, having a back height adjustment makes it easier to accommodate each person. To adjust the chair to everyone's needs, simply move it up or down. Some chairs additionally allow you to adjust the back of the chair both vertically and in depth. This can then assist you in determining the most comfortable seating posture for your body type. Adjustable arms can make a difference. Most chairs will also have armrests that may be adjusted. Comfort necessitates this type of height modification. The ideal armrest height is where the armrest touches the bottom of the arm without putting any strain on it. It's a plus to have pivoting armrests. When writing or typing, being ability to move your arms around is essential for maximum comfort. What about the importance of good posture? Working at a desk all day can put a lot of strain on your body. The lack of a comfy chair can worsen the situation. Slouching and poor posture are quite easy to develop, and they might lead to further problems in the future. Fatigue, neck pain, intestinal difficulties, and spinal curvature are all possible side effects. Poor posture can also impair your emotions and cause you to perform poorly at work. A slouched appearance, combined with the body language displayed, creates a negative impression. As a result, maintaining good posture is critical. Proper spine and body alignment can improve your spine's health as well as blood flow. This will help to maintain nerves and blood vessels healthy, allowing all muscles and ligaments to function properly, as well as reducing difficulties associated with particular weight gain. It will also reduce the amount of wear and tear on body tissues. Proper posture also aids in memory enhancement and stress reduction. Overall, the right chair might help you live a better lifestyle. I have only briefly touched on the key factors today. If you would like to learn more about the adjustments and where they are located on the chair, click the link above to check out my video on the best office chair 2020. Also, if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button to help the OG channel grow. Discover the difference by filling out my new customer form located in the description below. As always, thanks for watching this video. I am the OG office guy.